This video will be about AMD build at rupees 40,000. So let's start. First, we're gonna start with the processor, which is AMD processor features. Another choice. This is not a bad deal. This is not a bad deal. Okay, let's go for this one. Add to card. Then let's go for a different. We can go for this one, but let's try a different RAM. 8 GB RAM. DDR4. DDR4, you have this, the common and popular one. DDR4 Kingston. Go for this one also. How about this? G-Skill Ripjaw 3. This one's pretty good too. Let's set this 22 at the card. Next, motherboard. Which one? We can go for this one. Motherboard. 550M. Hold on. Check. Let me check. 550M, right? AM4 socket. AM4. This will work. So let's add this. Add the card. How much is it now? 26. Okay. Now we need graphics card. We will go for all AMD build. Okay. Graphics card. What the hell? Graphics card. Where is it going to be? One. Amazon. Acha, processor. There you go. There you go. Graphics card. AMD graphics card. AMD. Let's go AMD, right? RX580. Let's go for this one. This is a good graphics card. How much? 41. Oh no. Oh no. We have to change this. We have to. There's no way that I can put this. And this one also. What was I thinking? Let's go and search. AMD Ryzen 3, right? Yeah, Ryzen 3. Let's go for Ryzen 3. If I go for Ryzen 5, it's gonna cost like 3,000 more rupees if you don't want to add 34, right? Now we can add this SFP. We can go for 550 watts. 550 is enough. But this one is too costly and we're not gonna go for this. Let's go for a cheaper one because it's a budget bill. 550. I wanna go for this. MTech, yeah. I think this will be the best option. Add to cart. How much is it now? 37. All we need now is to add this case and storage. CPU case cabinet. No, thank you. What about this? Okay. One 200mm and one. Okay. Not a bad choice. This one, let's give this a 2, 3. How much is it? 41. I don't like this. 41. There has to be a way to decrease the amount. Okay. Maybe without Wi-Fi. Let's go without Wi-Fi. Without Wi-Fi. Let's go for this one. Why not? Why not, right? Same thing. Yeah. No changes. Nothing. 2 RAM slots. 1 PCIe slot. The usual HDMI, VGA, USB 3, USB. Where's that? 1. 3 USB. USB 3, USB 4 times. Okay, 1, 2. Got NVMe slots also. 1 NVMe slot, 1 PCIe slot, and 2 RAM slots. Up to 32 GB. Okay, not that choice. Okay, now hold on. What else can we drop out? Let's drop this out. What's this total listed? Let's go and check out storage. 512 GB SSD. Okay, 512 SSD. 512. Look at this. Consistent. Never heard of it. Never heard of this brands. Never in my life. Barracuda. Heard of it? Now let's go and check the card. Okay, we have, let's start from the processor. We have a Ryzen 3 3200G with Vega 8 graphics. Okay, so this actually has its own graphics card. Its own graphics processor. It's not a CPU, it's a APU. You see, it has 4 cores, 4 threads. Base clock is 3.6 gigahertz. Max boost up to 4. Consumes 65 watts. System memory specification. Okay. Now this is given only 2933 megahertz, but we have bought a 3200 megahertz RAM. There's no problem. You can use it. With 3 years warranty. Heatsink fan. See? 3 years warranty. AM4 socket motherboard. Compatible with AMD 300-400 series chipset based motherboards. So all well and good with this. Now, I think we should, let's cancel all this, close all this. Now let's check the motherboard. Asus Prime A320M. M is for micro ATX motherboard. Brand Asus. What else? Compatible. A socket AM4. It is compatible. Now, oh wait, DDR4 2400 to 2133 unbuffered. Okay, no, okay, fine. It's okay. Add. This is a better card for sure. Okay, let's try our RS485. Okay, go to card. Now, shopping card. This is the updated one. have a better graphics card. I don't know. I don't know, man. If this is better or the other one. This is a newer card, by the way. Newer card. I could not recommend the 580 because there were no good sellers. I couldn't recommend them. There were no reviews, proper reviews. Good. It was a better card though, but this has reviews. This has good reviews, and if you see them, you get only like 40 reviews, and it's a good, solid 4.4 out of 5 stars, which is like good, really good. So we have this 2 fans, 4 GB, DDR6, PCIe 4. The other one was 3. So this is much better. RDNA is also there. RDNA 2 supported. So you can do ray tracing, but like minimal ray tracing. Okay, we have the Asus motherboard, and we have Asus motherboard, Asus graphics card, XPG solid state drive, 512, not bad. Antec bronze, 550 80 plus bronze certified, good. Good fan. Let's see, like a minimum of 3 years warranty, which is good. Yeah, it's a reliable brand. We have G-Skill. You can go for this one or the XPG rack. I think the XPG one is a better choice, just because it's a little on the cheaper side, and it won't compromise on the performance also. So let's check this out first. How many? Yeah, a lot of that is a lot. Even you can go for this one also, because compared to the motherboard will support up to 2000 something megahertz. Okay, moving on. We have what else? Tiptronics Thunderstorm Extreme with Tower ATX gaming cabinet with 200mm and 120mm pre-installed ARGB fans. It's ARGB, which means that you can change the light. You can change the ARGB the way you want. You can program it in your motherboard. You can do a lot of things. ARGB is good. It's a good choice. Okay, now we have 40,485 rupees. This is my final AMD 40,000 bill. Thank you all for watching.